Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I have got a variation of the BoxyCharm Premium December box, and some of the items in there I haven't never seen before, so I had to share it with y'all. So if you're excited for this video, y'all, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's 100% free. I promise y'all, I won't charge you a thing. And also, make sure your bell's on, that way you don't miss no more of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read the first comment from my last video. Which were more spoilers found in the December BoxyLuxe boxes. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, good morning, Mandy. Well, good morning, Pauline, honey. I'm so glad you're here to catch the video. And I should have another one going up after this for the BoxyCharm base box, because there was more found in that I haven't seen. So I really appreciate you having your bell on, Pauline. Thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to have a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright, so again, guys, this is a new variation to the premium BoxyCharm December box, and I just had to share it with y'all because it had some new stuff in it. So here's the box. So let's look what's in it. The first thing is the Skin Fix Incorporated Dermatitis Face Balm, the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures eyeshadow palette, and this one's new on me. This one's got the Kat Von D Cake Pencil Eyeliner, and this other one is also new on me. It's the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Then this has the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. And another new item on me, y'all, is this Shop Basic Beauty Glowy AF Wet Glow Trio. Wow, that is a mouthful, but I bet it's a good product. So yeah, since it had those new things on there, I wanted to share it with y'all. I didn't know if y'all had seen them or not. Of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, of course, I'm going to keep you updated. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Now, I'm probably going to say this wrong, y'all. Congratulations, Scarlet Paul. I think, or is it Pay? I'm not sure, honey. Don't come after me. I'm weak as bitty piss, so you won't have fun. Anyway, Scarlett says, new spoilers. Thank you so much for your hard work and dedication. Scarlett, you are more than welcome, honey. I enjoy putting these videos out for y'all, because you know, if y'all are anything like me, I just can't wait to see spoilers. That's why I put them out for y'all. And Scarlett, thank you so much, honey, for your support. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option, y'all. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows the engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. You'll catch all my videos. I also film a lot of other videos, y'all, other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go ahead and check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.